You don't know if it's what you want, but let me tell you that it's what you need.
Guys, I really can't thank enough Master Sri Akarshana to teach me about the alignment of mind, body, and soul.
My experience with manifesting miracles has definitely been unexpected and eye-opening in ways.
You can literally feel the supportive energy field in which breakthroughs become much, much easier.
I learned some disgusting and beautiful truth about myself. I cried tears of joy.
Really, it's about finding yourself in this physical world, uniting the spiritual with the physical. There was a lot of really things that opened up in my mind.
If you're somebody who struggles with these barriers where you keep seeing the same patterns over and over in your life, when wondering, why does this keep happening to me? Why is this going wrong? This is an event you need to attend.
Manifestation Miracles event that I attend, and it just doesn't feel like it. Every time is a different experience. And I really think that the team does an amazing job on organizing and planning this in order to make our experience the best.
I think this one is the signature event for a reason. Emotional and impactful.
I definitely recommend anybody to attend this event. It's life-changing. You know, I was a person at one time. This is my second Manifesting Miracles.
This is the third or fourth, I can't remember, but each has been different. And I would recommend anyone that wants to change his life.
That is actually happening live right now. It is a 3-day event that a whole lot of us have been enjoying. It is hosted by Master Sri Akarshana and his beautiful, beautiful team. I think if you want even one aspect of your life to be changed, your current reality to shift even a little bit or even a lot, please take this event. It has so many aha moments. It has so many insights to have something that will really change the way you look at life and to live a life with purpose. It's extremely beautiful, guys. Please check it out and you won't regret. You won't regret. Thank you so much.